When one hears about a real story making its way onto the celluloid, there is perhaps a fear that the authenticity might not come through. With the tragic story of Sarabjit Singh, there is a similar feeling many would be experiencing. The film Sarabjit is directed by Omung Kumar and is one of the most promising and arguably one of the most eagerly awaited films, especially for Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, who is seen in a completely de-glamorized role. With the previous film Jazba, she didn't quite strike a chord, but with Sarabjit, she has changed the rules of acting. Aishwarya plays the role of Dalbir Kaur, who happens to be Sarabjit's sister, and whose only quest in life after his brother's imprisonment is to get his freedom. With Randeep Hooda playing Sarabjit and Richa Chadha as his wife, the film has much more to offer than just the varied cast. The story of Sarabjit Singh is known to many. He was an Indian farmer who accidentally crossed the unmarked Pakistan border and was caught by Pakistani rangers. He was accused of being an Indian spy involved in bombings in the country and put into the prison, eventually delivered the death sentence. Well, it has to be said that the story of Sarabjit Singh is tragic and emotionally moving one. Kumar as a director has sought to put it onto the screens to the audience and cram in as much detail as possible from the real life occurrences. He is to be applauded for the way he has put the story across, achieving a well-rounded view of how each member of Sarabjit's family would be feeling in the length of time he was in jail for. Kumar shows that he knows each of the characters well, and it seems he has really done his research in terms of the intricacies of the stories and which parts he wanted to include in the film. It is commendable that the story comes across as sincere to the core, but powerful, tragic, and heartening at the same time. It was almost a given fact that such a film would evoke performances that would enhance the story that the makers want to convey to the audience. Aishwarya Rai gives what can be described as her best performance till date, as she manages to tug at the heartstrings with the emotional scenes, and you can't really take your eyes off her portrayal of Dalbir's passion for the cause. Her emotional scenes with Randeep Hooda are some of the best parts of the film overall. On the other hand, Randeep Hooda himself seems to continue to outdo himself with every film, and Sarabjit once again puts him up there as one of the most talented actors in Bollywood today. The final review. All in all, it has to be said that Kumar has delivered a truly heart-wrenching story without misplacing grandeur and with distinction that perhaps very few would have been able to achieve. He brings out the absolute best of the main cast, as well as the actresses who play Sarabjit's daughter as adults. Sarabjit is indeed a must-watch film of this year. Mango rates the movie 3.5 stars out of 5.
क्या होता है हमेशा कभी कभी किसी को पैनिक अटैक आ जाए तो लोग बोलते हैं अरे पागल है क्या हो रहा है उसको क्या मतलब डिप्रेशन है एटलीस्ट नाउ डिप्रेशन इज रिकॉग्नाइज्ड मोर देन इट वाज बिफोर